Hey tea lovers! This week we are giving a much-deserved spotlight to one of our newer products, organic turmeric. Turmeric is a well-known superfood with countless health benefits. Turmeric comes from the root of a flowering plant called Curcuma longa. This plant is a part of the ginger family and is native to India. Since its rise in popularity, this plant is now extensively cultivated in the tropical and subtropical regions of South and Southeast Asia, including China, Indonesia, and India, and some areas of Africa. The many benefits of turmeric come from the active ingredient in turmeric called curcumin. Let's talk about some of the numerous health benefits turmeric has. Depression. Turmeric has been tested to both treat depression and increase the effectiveness of antidepressant medications. Viral infections. Turmeric tea is often used as an at-home remedy for viruses like the flu. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants, which help your body heal faster and fight infections more effectively. Menstrual cramps. Studies have shown that supplementing with turmeric can help to relieve painful menstrual cramps and other symptoms of PMS. High cholesterol. Studies have shown that regularly taking turmeric in some form can lower LDL cholesterol or bad cholesterol. Additionally, some studies have shown that turmeric supplementation can help prevent heart attacks. Arthritis and joint pain. The main thing that turmeric is praised for is its ability to reduce inflammation, which makes it a great ingredient to assist with painful joints or arthritis. Traditionally, turmeric was used in a lot of savory applications, including curries and other Indian dishes. However, there are tons of ways to use turmeric powder. Turmeric has a mildly warm and bitter flavor, but overall does not have a strong taste. Black pepper helps your body absorb the active compound in turmeric, curcumin, and is great to add to anything you put turmeric in. The simplest way to consume turmeric is to simply add it to hot water and stir until dissolved. However, adding turmeric to your favorite loose leaf tea is a simple, delicious way to add it into your diet. Turmeric is also great to add to smoothies, yogurt, matcha, or even your morning coffee. Now let's make an easy drink with some turmeric. I'm going to start with a teaspoon of turmeric with some hot water and froth that until it's nice and smooth and everything has been dissolved. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla syrup and some cinnamon powder, but you could add whatever flavors you'd like to this. I gave that a quick mix and then added some ice and topped it with coconut milk. This is a super refreshing, easy to make latte that has a bunch of health benefits and is a great way to get your daily turmeric in. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something about the amazing superfood turmeric. I will link all of the places below where you can find turmeric and check out our website to see what else fun stuff we've got going on right now. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!